In this tutorial, we will explore how to add a new client to your database. In the top menu, select and click on the Clients icon. The Clients section will open. Now select Add New. Enter the required information. Don't worry if you don't have all of the details at hand. You can return later to edit and add more information in this section. You can add client-specific notes here. You will have the opportunity to add property, job, and task notes later. Once you reviewed the details and are happy to proceed, click Next. In this section you enter the property details. Simply start typing the address in the autocomplete section. The address will appear together with a small map. The property section makes allowance for custom entries in the event the address is not found in the navigation database. You also get the opportunity to enter the property type and specify how many floors the property consists of. You also get to add your property-specific notes here. We are almost done. By default, the client details are saved as the billing details. However, you have the option to add alternative billing information in the next step. Once you are satisfied with the details entered, simply click Save, and you are done. You can now review the client and billing details. If you need to add or edit any of the details, select the Edit icon at the top right of each section. This concludes our tutorial. As you can see, you can add clients in less than 2 minutes. Please watch the next tutorial, where we will add a job and assign technicians to tasks.